Boost your office productivity with the GEEKOM A6 mini PC. Compact yet powerful, it delivers seamless multitasking. Fast connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Perfect for tackling spreadsheets, video calls, and data analysis. Powerful performance, redefined. Build, code, and create with the GEEKOM A6 mini PC. Compact yet powerful. It excels in IT tasks like WordPress website design and seamless development in Visual Studio Code. With fast processors and wireless connectivity, it's the perfect tool for your digital workspace.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the product presentation of GEEKOM A6. Today, we will bring you GEEKOM's first new product of 2025. During our live, we will randomly give promo codes of this new computer to all our viewers. So please stay focused if you want to get a discount on this wonderful mini PC. GEEKOM's A series gradually became one of GEEKOM's most important product lines, as sales of these AMD-powered mini PCs reached a record-breaking new height in 2024. Previous models such as the A5, A6, A7, A8 have received widespread appraisal from users of different backgrounds, including but not limited to home office users, small business owners, educational institutes, gaming enthusiasts, content creators, and IT engineers. Today, we're going to bring you a powerful, well-balanced, and cost-effective new product. And we strongly believe it is the best mini PC under $500, the GEEKOM A6. Let's start by talking about its design. The GEEKOM A6 follows the design language of GEEKOM's previous A series mini PCs. Its chassis is made of high-strength aluminum alloy. The amazing texture is the result of high-precision CNC machining, high-pressure sandblasting, anodizing, as well as many other processes. With a 4.4 x 4.4 inch footprint and ultra-thin 1.4 inch thickness, the A6 is even smaller than the new Apple M4 Mac Mini. It will take up less space and give you a cleaner desktop. At just 0.47 liters, the A6 is 1/80th the size, but 2.5 times the performance of the average ATX desktop PC in its price range. On the front and rear panels, you will find a wide array of interfaces and a power button that is easy to reach. Heat dissipation vents can be found on the left and right side. This highly efficient airflow design is paired up with GEEKOM's Ice Blast 1.5 cooling system, ensuring A6's excellent heat dissipation performance. As compact as the A6 is, it packs enormous power under the hood. The mini PC features an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor, which has 8 super-fast Zen 3 Plus CPU cores clocked in at 30.2 GHz base and 4.7 GHz boost, 16 threads as well as 16 megabits L3 cache. In Cinebench R23 CPU crunching test, Ryzen 7 6800 scored 11,988 in single core, which is about 10% higher than the score of its predecessor, the Ryzen 7 5800H processor. The 6800H also features 1,427 in multi-core, which is 14% higher than that of the Ryzen 7 4800H. This graphics card performance is also great. Its AMD Radeon 680M iGPU has 12 CU based on the RDNA2 architecture and supports hardware ray tracing, variable rate shading, and more. Compared to the Intel Iris Xe graphics iGPU featured in the Core i7 12700H processor, the AMD Radeon 680M scored 50% higher in 3D Mark Time Spy and 25% higher in the 3D Mark V Strike. To unlock the full potential of this powerful chip, GEEKOM spared no expenses in configuring RAM and storage. The A6 is pre-installed with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 4800 MTS dual channel RAM and a 1 terabyte M2 PCIe 4.0x4 SSD. The SSD has excellent sequential and random read speeds, providing solid support for all kinds of high-load computing scenarios. The A6 also comes with a wireless network card that supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, allowing you to enjoy high-speed wireless networking without latency. Well, we have talked enough about the A6's specifications. Now let's take a look at how this mini PC performs in the real world, everyday use cases. With so much power packed into an ultra-compact chassis, the GEEKOM A6 will easily breeze through daily tasks such as document processing and web browsing. It can also handle heavy duties like graphic processing, audio and video editing, and even run most modern AAA games at 1080p resolution. Compared to its predecessor, the GEEKOM A5, the A6 demonstrates a 5% improvement in 7-zip file compression speed, a 21% improvement in Adobe Photoshop's Puget system benchmark, and a 21% improvement in Adobe Premiere Pro Puget Bench. Thanks to the powerful AMD Radeon 680M iGPU, the A6 was way ahead of the Mini IT12 Mini PC, which features the Intel Xe graphics iGPU. In various gaming tests, the A6's average frame rate was 40% higher in Far Cry 5, 25% higher in CS2, 45% higher in League of Legends, and 32% higher in Fortnite. Even though it is tiny, the GEEKOM A6 is packed with a slew of ports. The front side houses 2 USB-A ports, a headphone jack, and the rear side sports 2 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet jack, and 2 full-function USB-C ports that both support video output. One of these USB-C ports is a USB 4, which offers maximum data transfer rates of 40 gigabits per second. As a result, the A6 can connect 4 4K monitors at the same time. Such a wide array of ports will also allow users to create all sorts of powerful setups. Gamers can connect the A6 with gamepads, large monitors, or even TVs to set up their own entertainment center. Illustrators can build a design workstation with the A6, a pen pad, a professional monitor, and photographers can use the A6's built-in SD card slots to easily import pictures. And musicians can connect the A6 with their audio hardware to create a small music studio. Virtual currency financial traders will love using the A6 to drive 4 large screens. And IT engineers will also enjoy running virtual machines or Linux on this tiny computer. It's truly amazing how well a PC this small can handle such a diverse range of applications. Not only is the A6 capable of all kinds of heavy computing tasks, but it is also a product that embodies GEEKOM's green computing philosophy. Along with the advent of the AI era, the demand for computing power has also increased exponentially. But that also means a huge increase in power consumption. Here at GEEKOM, we believe it's time for desktop PCs to transform and enter an era of green computing. The GEEKOM A6 draws only 4 watts at idle and 20 watts on average while dealing with office tasks, compared to a conventional desktop tower, which often draws 300 watts of power on average. The A6 offers the same level of performance while consuming only 10% of the electricity. For users, especially corporate users, switching from desktop towers to mini PCs like the A6 could mean an immediate improvement in energy efficiency and a substantial contribution to reducing the power consumption of computing in our society. In order to provide our customers with the most reliable mini PCs, each GEEKOM product undergoes rigorous testing before mass production to ensure superb durability and reliability. And the A6 is no exception. The mini PC passed 120 hours of high and low temperature tests and 90 minutes of vibration tests, ensuring its ability to run stably even in extreme environments. All USB interfaces have passed 15,000 cycles of plug and unplug tests, so they will remain robust after years of usage. Besides, the mini PC also passed EMI radiation tests from 30 megahertz to 1 gigahertz and 330 hours of system stability tests. All that makes the A6 a reliable partner you can trust. With great confidence in the quality of our products, we give each GEEKOM mini PC 3 years of warranty and offer 24/7 after-sales services so that you can feel perfectly assured when placing an order. In addition, each GEEKOM mini PC comes pre-installed with a licensed copy of Windows 11 Pro, so you can use it right out of the box. The GEEKOM A6 is a mini PC powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H chip, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and a super fast 1 terabyte SSD. It also has a compact body, an elegant design, excellent hardware configurations, and a rich interface. Whether it's gaming, graphics design, audio, and video content creation, IT engineering, or large organizations' office deployment, the A6 will be competent for the job. As you all know, the base model of the Apple M4 Mac Mini is priced at $599, but it only offers a few USB-C ports, a gigabit Ethernet jack, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 256 gigabyte storage. The GEEKOM A6, on the other hand, has an even smaller chassis, but it offers more compatible USB-A ports, a faster 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet jack, and much more versatile 32 gigabyte RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. For gamers and users with professional productivity needs, the GEEKOM A6's 32 gigabyte DDR5 RAM is far more adept at handling large applications, high-load tasks, intensive graphics processing, and complex multitasking than Mac's mini 16 gigabytes of memories, providing you a smoother computer experience with faster response. Its 1 TB SSD is also a lot more functional than the 256 gigabytes stored inside the Mac Minis. It will store about 180,000 extra photos, or 36,000 lossless music files, or 180 additional hours of full HD video footage. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to reveal the price of this amazing mini PC. The A6's price starts at only $449, so it is undoubtedly the best mini PC under $500. The GEEKOM A6 is now available in many regions, including the United States, Europe, and Japan. You can place your order on GEEKOM's official website or Amazon store. The links can be found in the description below. And now it is the time that everyone's waiting for. We will give out a special discount to all our viewers. The promo code for the A6 is A6Live 2025. You can use this code to get a discount on the original price. Well, that's everything we want to tell you about the GEEKOM A6, the best mini PC under $500. Thank you for watching today, and we will be launching more mini PCs in 2025. So please make sure to follow our channel to get the latest information on GEEKOM's new products. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.